Welcome back to Drive Future, where we explore the cars of tomorrow and the legends that inspire them. Today, we're diving into a name that forever changed the automotive world and imagining how it could return in a bold, futuristic form. This is the 2026 Buick Y-Job, a modern reimagination of the world's very first concept car. The original Y-Job wasn't built to be sold, it was built to dream, and that same spirit lives on in this imagined 2026 vision, blending classic elegance with cutting-edge innovation. The first glance at the 2026 Buick Y-Job feels like watching the future roll into view. The body sits low and wide, with long, flowing lines that move smoothly from front to rear, creating a silhouette that feels timeless yet advanced. The front design is clean and confident, featuring ultra-slim LED matrix headlights seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, a modern tribute to the original Y-Job's famous hidden headlights. The grille is minimal and sophisticated, accented by subtle chrome details that reflect Buick's luxury heritage without overpowering the futuristic design. From the side, the Y-Job's dramatic profile highlights its grand touring personality. Flush door handles disappear into the body, improving aerodynamics and maintaining a sleek, uninterrupted look. Large, multi-spoke alloy wheels sit firmly within the arches, suggesting strong performance beneath the elegant exterior. The coupe-style roofline flows naturally toward the rear, giving the car a dynamic stance, while the rear end features a full-width LED light bar and sculpted surfaces that perfectly balance classic inspiration with modern design precision. Step inside the 2026 Buick Y-Job and the experience becomes even more immersive. The cabin feels like a high-end luxury lounge designed for the future. A wide, curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the driver's cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, the system responds instantly to voice commands and gestures, learns driver preferences over time, and receives over-the-air updates to stay constantly evolving. The interior materials reflect Buick's vision of sustainable luxury. Premium leather, brushed aluminum, real wood accents, and eco-friendly composite materials create an atmosphere that feels refined yet responsible. Ambient lighting softly flows through the cabin, adjusting colors based on drive mode or mood, transforming every drive into a cinematic experience. The seats are fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort whether you're cruising through the city or traveling long distances. While the rear seating area is more intimate, emphasizing the Y-Job's focus on personal driving pleasure, comfort and craftsmanship remain a priority. Every surface feels thoughtfully designed, creating a space that connects emotionally with the driver rather than simply impressing visually. Beneath its sculpted body, the imagined 2026 Buick Y-Job embraces next-generation performance technology. Whether envisioned as a fully electric Grand Tourer or a high-efficiency hybrid, the focus is on smooth, instant power delivery and refined driving dynamics. An advanced all-wheel drive system provides confident handling in all conditions, while instant torque delivers rapid acceleration without noise or vibration. The result is a driving experience that feels effortless, powerful, and composed. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to changing road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride while maintaining precise control during spirited driving. Multiple drive modes allow the driver to tailor the car's personality, from relaxed luxury cruising to a more dynamic, performance-focused feel. Every aspect of the Y-Job's performance is designed to balance excitement with comfort. Safety and driver assistance systems play a major role in the 2026 Buick Y-Job's futuristic identity. Advanced autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision avoidance technology, and a 360-degree camera system work together to create a safe and confident driving environment. These systems are designed not to replace the driver, but to enhance awareness and reduce stress on every journey. More than anything, the 2026 Buick Y-Job represents a vision rather than just a vehicle. It's a bridge between past and future, proving that legendary design can evolve without losing its soul. This car honors Buick's pioneering spirit while pointing clearly toward where luxury mobility is headed next. Here on Drive Future, the 2026 Buick Y-Job is a perfect example of how imagination shapes the automotive world. When brands look back at their greatest moments and reimagine them for a new generation, the results can be truly inspiring. If Buick ever brings something like this to life, it wouldn't just be a new car, it would be a statement. If you enjoyed this look into the future of automotive design, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Drive Future, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you like to see the Buick Y-Job return as a real production car? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next episode right here on Drive Future.